This is my car, the Mitsubishi Outlander 2019 model. Here you can see. This video is about how to install the hood struts, bonnet struts, and my car is Mitsubishi Outlander 2019 model. So first thing, let me go through the parts. So one side, this is for just one side only. So you are getting this strut I ordered from Aliexpress. Hope it is a good one. One side comes like this, a fitted one, and the other side you have like this with two clamps. Okay. Basically, in the car, you have this area, as well as basically you are removing this nut to place this clamp like this. Okay, so if you put it inside like this, it will touch some of the parts. It has to go like this for this 2019 Outlander model. And the other portion is, the other one is here, this nut. And I noticed that for this model there's a clamp here. I'm not sure whether the other model is having, so it's a bit hard to fix this one. This have to go down, this side have to go down, so it has to be like this. I can show you the one which I already fitted here. You could see that this is already clamped and it's fixed. Okay, so this side, particularly this side, because there are a lot of things here and all, you know, have to be very careful. It has to. So I tried all the ways, but then this is the only thing I could see that it's getting fitted. If not, please let me know also, so I also can change. If you can have a better, if you see a better one, please put it in the comment box. What I did, just for safety, I'm just using the original one in the hole here so that it won't come out. I could see that this thing is pretty stable. Yeah, let me start to install this on the other side, and also to put the nut for this so that it will be secured. This is done strong. The 10 mm box. And here goes the clamp. So it goes upside down. And tighten it. Once you secure that, you can move to the next one. You need to use a 12 mm for this one. and goes the clamp.
Now, what is the size of the nut?
This one is 12 mm, and this one here over here is 10 mm. So
Oh.
use the 12 mm to tighten it. And this has to be pretty tight.
Why does it need to be super tight?
It has to be tight, otherwise, you know, the whole thing, the whole strength is going to be in this clamp. So it has to be fixed, not, you know, it will come out. Okay, so we start always this portion up, the piston, and I didn't take out the nut here. Actually, this doesn't come with washers. Usually, there should be a washer. If you can put a washer, then it is better. I notice some from UK and all, you know, the ones which are coming in is having a washer together with them. It's easier and more strong.
What do you mean by when it comes in a washer, it's better?
Because without washer, the washer will actually be okay, try out. Let's give a try. So this hole here, you can even don't throw away this one, but it will be there because it's additional security. Just use this. We thought that also it's staying pretty well. Yeah, strong. And we tighten this once again. There you go. Okay, so that's it. Yeah. Oops, my parts are here. Wow, good. Wow. Okay, let me open up. Wow, man. Oh, good. So, closing.